So you've heard of storm chasers, you know, like hurricane or tornado chasers. You've probably also heard of ghost chasers, maybe going around abandoned buildings, abandoned mansions, or hospitals looking for ghosts or existential spirits that haunt the whatever. Now, get ready for waterfall chasers. So this is my third waterfall today. Basically at this point I'm just kind of wandering around looking for them. If anything, on the side of the road it says blank falls, turn off, get some food, and just go check it out. But it's always nice to kind of wander around these forests. I mean, look at this. Look at this area. So much color, fall is coming. It is so beautiful. Having a reason to go check these areas out is so beautiful. I'm working on this project that is coming out soon. Pretty much just out here chasing waterfalls. This little stream here. It is so beautiful. Oregon, you are beautiful. You're just a wonderful place to be a part of. Definitely coming back here after the snow though. It is already getting, look at me, I'm all bundled up. It's already getting pretty cold. You know, it's beautiful here. It is, and the waterfalls, the creeks, the streams, the forests are alive. This area is alive, and it is wonderful. So good job, Oregon. I'm gonna go chase more waterfalls. Just for the record, getting down here, pain in the ass with a drone too. Getting back up I think will be easier, but we'll see. Accessibility of this waterfall, if you're just a hiker with a small backpack, you can do it. If you have a full camera setup with a drone, it's a lot harder. I'll show you when I go back up, but there's a few spots that are just like, they have ropes on them, because you need to hold on to the ropes and rappel yourself down. Holy shit. So yeah, basically what I said before is I'm chasing waterfalls, and for the next 4 days, I have 12 waterfalls to see. Been driving all over Oregon, not in just a straight line, all over Oregon, and yeah, it's been wonderful. The waterfalls here are insane. It's not the fact that the waterfalls are so beautiful, it's the surrounding area, the river, the rocks, the trees. It all makes for such a great scenery. Now, waterfall chasing is
a blast. I mean, it is so fun to just go around and see as many waterfalls as you can see in the limited amount of time that you have. So, something I would suggest, but I'm gonna go check out some more waterfalls. So, deuces, I'll talk to you guys soon. What's going on, guys? I am back home for a few days while I recover and relax and get ready for, wait for it, Thailand. Yes, in just 3 days time I leave for Thailand for 3 weeks. So I kind of wanted to talk to you, you know, person to person, person to camera. I hope you're having a wonderful day. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about moving forward on this channel. Now, I spent a little over 2 weeks chilling in my RV, traveling around, seeing some beautiful things. If you haven't, check out those videos. There's 3 of them. I got the hot springs, I got the lava tube caves, and chasing waterfalls, which is this one, so you probably already, whatever. So check out some other content that I got for the last, 2 or so weeks as I was traveling around in the RV. Basically, 2 things. 1, thank you so much for your support. If you have been subscribed or following me this far, it's a lot of trial runs, testing, how it is even living in the RV, which by the way is freaking wonderful. But yeah, it's a lot of testing kind of things. Even these videos is just me testing out what I want to try. I'm trying new things, new drone shots, new intros, new music, things like that. So thank you for supporting me on this very sporadic time on my YouTube channel. With that going forward, I am going to Thailand for 3 weeks. Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia for 3 weeks. So there's not going to be any content put out, but I am taking my whole setup, everything that I have besides the drone, and I'm going to film and vlog all over Thailand and Vietnam and Cambodia. So when I get back, that stuff will come out, and then I'm heading to Baja, California and Southern California to travel around while it's getting cold out. And then 2019, on the new year, is when I move into my RV for years, a year plus at least, writing books, filming all the content. Lots of stuff is gonna happen, lots of stuff is gonna come out, beautiful things. And basically moving forward from there, I just want to show you guys how beautiful the world is, and to get you to want to go see these places. A lot of these places, I have this little area to film in. That's all you get to see, and you get to see what I think is the best for you to see. So really, I want to help inspire you to get outside, get off the computer or the phone, and actually see a lot of these places. Now, I know it's kind of ironic that I am always, filming or on my computer editing or, putting pictures out there or writing on my blog, but I really do enjoy a lot of these places. A lot of the times, I don't even show you half of the places I go to because I'm just so, enthralled by how beautiful it is. That's kind of where we're going forward, is once I start really traveling, once the big year-long, plus time comes in, and it's gonna be so much content to hopefully show you guys some of the beauties in the world, the wonders, the natural, the things that just entice me to want to keep showing this kind of stuff. So that is where we are moving forward. But I'm going to be in Thailand. I'm going to be across the seas for a few weeks. So enjoy yourself. Enjoy the changing of the weather. Enjoy outside. Go adventure. Go see the world. I promise you, it is a beautiful, beautiful place. Safe travels, my friends. Much love, and BHURI BHAKTI.